You're now ready to make your preferences ahead of the Global European Marketplace 2024. We've got a number of days before the event where we ask you to select and rank those with whom you'd like to meet before the event. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration to see how this works. So you've got a link to the preference portal, and there's some instructions and information here. Where you need to go is into the preference tab. I'm just using one of my colleagues' logins for this event. At the moment, I'm viewing this as a buyer, so you will see the suppliers listed. This year round, we've added logos and a bit of a boosted profile for the everybody attending. So you'll see a little bit more information about the companies attending. So this is an example. You'll see information about their event, company, their logo, the person coming. But really the useful thing to use is the filters. So you can pick, if you're a buyer, the destination served by a given supplier or the supplier type on here. So if you're looking for national tourist offices, you can have a look on there, and then the list will come up with the relevant people on here. Also, you would like to just see everybody brand new, then you can just click that with an empty search and you'll see the people who have signed up this year. So you will see the people listed on there. You can search for specific lists, or you can literally just go down the list itself. When you found someone you'd like to meet, what you need to do is add them to your priority or standard preferences. It's really in your interest to maximize as many preferences as possible. So you've got up to 35 preferences, 5 of which of those are your priority must see. What I will stress here, if you add them across into your preferences, I think you can probably drag them as well into your standard or your priority. They are in order of preference. So really what you want to avoid is a list that is in alphabetical order. We just need to make sure that really those are the top of either your priority or your standard ones are in order of preference, from 1 at the top to your 35th choice or your 30th choice on the standard ones as your least high priority. So the system, when it comes to matching, will assign them on that basis. So during the period of these preferences, we will still be adding people. So what I recommend is spending a few moments as early as possible to complete your preferences, and then make sure to check back between now and the deadline, the details of which are provided. So that's on the 16th, so maybe schedule some time to check just in advance of that to make sure that you can keep track of any new people that you'd like to meet on that list, just to rearrange and completely confirm your list. These preferences save automatically, so there's no need to worry. Once you've done that, just close it. And then to come back in, just use the link that we've sent you in the invitation email to join. So that is really as straightforward as possible. Really, we need as many preferences, and we will start chasing people if they've not submitted any preferences, and in order of preference. And as a reminder, that is how meetings are assigned. We collect everybody's preferences on the buyer side and the supplier side. We run the algorithm that then combines those and then try and fulfill as many of those mutual preferences, and then from the top priorities down. As a reminder, at this event, the operators are seated and the suppliers will visit them in line with the agendas provided. We will issue 1 week before the event a provisional agenda, and then on the event day itself, that will be your final agenda to follow, and we'll provide a printed copy of that. So there may be some slight changes between your provisional and your final one, so please do follow the final printed agenda that we provide on the day of the event itself. If you have any questions throughout this, please do reply to support@celestina.travel for any questions or concerns you have about what to expect and the run-in to the networking workshop. Many thanks.